Okay, here's how to hook up and test a Whelen SPS-660 CometFlash strobe power supply. First we're going to hook up 12 volts. As you can see, there's only two pins active there. The ground's in the middle and the positive's on the right there. That up there. And then for the control, we've got three wires. We've got the middle black wire. The white is actually hooked up to the hot, I believe, in this case, and then the red here is the control. Usually the red is the hot and the white is control. But for this particular purpose, it doesn't matter. I've got this wire going down to hooking up to my 12 volt supply here, and then I've got two strobe lights hooked into each of these outlets here, and they do have to be strobe lights. This power supply will not work on LED lights, just the strobes. So in order to activate the strobes, you simply take the control wire, the pattern wire, which is in this case, well, you connect the positive and the pattern wires while it's to power. So I'm going to do that down here. You can hear them fire up there. And that activates the alternating strobe on slots 1 and 2.